In a secret lab, researchers unveiled programmable metamaterials that reshape stiffness in response to ambient sound frequencies. Tiny nano actuators and smart polymers let them switch from rigid to flexible with a whisper of decibels. The result are walls that dampen echoes or absorb shocks by real-time resonance tuning. Industry experts say this could transform architecture, robotics, and wearables while dramatically reducing energy and material waste. As pilot projects roll out worldwide, everyday spaces may subtly adapt to the rhythm of our lives.